What is up, YouTube? This is Carl here. If you can't tell, car is off the ground, thank God. So, for some reason, when I put the trailer on bushings on, my ride height got a lot higher. I don't know how that happened, but I mean, now I have quite a bit of finger gap, or I'm checking a little bit of tire, but that's the lowest I can go without messing up the preload on my coilovers. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. My alignment also went quite out of whack, but it's all good. We did a little bit of adjustment in the rear. Doing alignments on the rear of a BMW sucks. I hate it. The trailer on bushing bracket is just a pain to work with, but we managed to get it to roughly about zero toe and just a little bit of camber in the rear, but we're all good. It's not the best alignment in the world, but it'll do for now. I also managed to pick up a couple goodies. I got an M3 hood. I was originally going to do a Vorsteiner hood, but everybody rocks those, so I'm doing something different. I also got some M3 side mirrors. So these are a lot cooler than the non-M mirrors. Will they work? I have no idea, but I'm pretty sure I can figure something out. But what's inside here? What can this be? So what we got here is a CSL trunk in carbon fiber. This thing is beautiful. Love it. Now, since it's carbon fiber, I am not going to be painting or wrapping it. I'm going to leave it in all of its carbon fiber glory, because who doesn't love carbon fiber? This is unlocking the inner ricer in me, but Jesus, I love carbon fiber. I might wrap or paint it later on. For the record, I just want to leave it because I paid a good amount for the carbon fiber, so I'm gonna leave it as is for now. So I got all these goodies. I think it's time to put it on. I don't know, or should I work more on the suspension? I don't know. Decisions. Forgot to mention. So I got the rear pretty much dialed in for now, for the camber and the toe. So I actually still need to do the front because I did lower it. I didn't change the alignment yet, so I need to work on that as well. But I mean, I got those goodies, so I'm gonna put those on. Yeah, suspension work sucks. Let's put this trunk on. Alright, so I got the taillights out, trunk's loose, I got all the wiring undid. Now I just gotta snake it through so that I can take the trunk right off. Trunk is off. Now it's time to put the carbon fiber one on. Love it. Looks awesome, doesn't it? Well, maybe you don't like carbon fiber being exposed, but I like it. Man, I love how CSL trunks look, guys. Love it. Now I just gotta get all the wiring set up. I need to put the taillights on. I think these are for Euro plates.
False.
I guess we'll figure that out. We'll see. Alright, so electronics are pretty much on for the most part. Got the taillights on. I'm missing this rear trim piece right here with the lights and all that stuff. It doesn't fit right for some reason, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna save that for later. But right now, I'm gonna move on to some other stuff because I got a lot of work to do. If you're wondering what the brand is on this CSL trunk, I don't know. I got off Craigslist. No idea what the brand is. I guess it was a supplier for a bunch of the other companies, but I don't know the brand. So I still got some work to do on the trunk, but I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna move on to working on the over fenders again. I gotta finish up this gas door. After that, I should be able to move on to some suspension work. I need to finish up my alignment in the front. Then I could do all body work until the next event at Circuit Spirit. Let's get to it. Gas door's installed. Fender is on. It's probably going to be a little bit different once they're actually riveted on, but it opens and closes. I mean, it doesn't open all the way because of the over fender, but I could easily get the gas nozzle right here, so I'm not too worried about it. I don't want to be making more clearance. There's a gap right here, right on the bottom, but for the most part, it looks terrible. Well, whatever. I'm willing to deal with it. It's fine. We're all good. We're in business. Whew. Gotta talk real quick. But, so since I finished up the gas door, I still need to do a little bit more body work. I'm actually gonna be wrapping the car. I'm not gonna be painting it. I got the wrap. I'm not gonna show you guys the color yet. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna work on the front suspension, try to get the alignment done. Because for the next 2 days, it's gonna be raining, so I'm not gonna be able to do much to the car. So I figured I could wrap indoors some body panels. I'm gonna get my handy dandy angle finder out. Whew. It's a lot of camber. It's about 6 degrees of camber on the right side. Just about 5 degrees on this side, on the driver's side. I need to go ahead and adjust that. I also have quite a bit of toe on the front, so let's get to work. Now it's about 85, so I want to dial out. I want to get to about 5 degrees of camber in the front, so I actually need to dial out just about 1 degree. Let's go ahead and make this adjustment. Alright, so I got the camber set. Probably not. I'm probably gonna have to make another adjustment, but I got it kind of where I want it to be for now. Now I'm just gonna adjust toe, lower the car back down, take another measurement, and repeat probably about 3 times. Hopefully not, but we're gonna have to repeat the measurement again. Car's on the ground, just measure the toe. I have a little bit of toe in, and for those of you who are wondering, we actually made some toe plates before where there's some slots on each side, and I have some more, well, one on the driver's side also with slots, and you basically just take a tape measure to check it. Car currently has a little bit of toe in, actually quite a bit of toe in, so I need to dial that out. For the meantime, I took out the bumper. That way I could easily get to the tie rods and I can adjust it. I don't really recommend adjusting toe on the floor, but I mean, it's gonna make the job a lot quicker, so we're just gonna do it that way. Oh well. So I got it to about 1/16 toe out, except I forgot to check my camber when I put the car back on the floor. So camber's all messed up again. I have to adjust that, but I can't spend the whole night working on suspension work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull out the front fenders, start working on those, maybe start wrapping it, I don't know, but pull the front fenders. I have the rear quarter panel or the rear over fender already off, so I'm going to start getting to work on that, but I'm going to cut the video here. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next time.